So today, let's learn some basic German greetings and politeness. When you want to say bye informally, you say Tschüss or ciao, ciao, ciao. You can be as casual as possible when you are speaking informally. So when you are with your friends, you're talking to somebody you have a close relation with, then you use Tschüss. And then to the formal way of saying goodbye, now we have it in two contexts. The first one is Auf Wiedersehen, which means goodbye. When you can see the person, let's say you are in the office and you want to tell your boss goodbye, you can see him face to face, then you say Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. But if it's a phone call, if you're on the phone and you want to say goodbye, you say Auf Wiederhören. Auf Wiederhören. Now you need to pay attention to the verbs in these two words. The first one has sehen, which means to see. So this basically means when you say Auf Wiedersehen, it means see you again. And in the second word, Auf Wiederhören, we have the verb hören, which means to hear or to listen. So when you say Auf Wiederhören, you're basically saying hear from you again. So you use this when you're on a phone call. And then the next word is bitte. Bitte, which means please or you are welcome. So when you want to make a request, you can use bitte. And also when somebody tells you thank you and you want to say you're welcome, you can also say bitte. So there's a particular video on that, on how to say please and how to say thank you. So basically the different contexts, the different meanings of bitte was taught in this video. So you can scroll down to get the video, and I'll also be tagging it here. Yeah, this particular video. Yeah, that is it. And also danke means thank you. We have other ways. If you want to say thank you very much, you say vielen Dank. Also, you still need to watch the video so you can know the different ways to say thank you. And then to Entschuldigung, which means excuse me. And if you want to be more specific and formal, you say entschuldigen Sie. So now if you want to say excuse me please, how would you say that? You can say Entschuldigung bitte oder entschuldigen Sie bitte. Now you get the vibe. Good job. And the next one, es tut mir leid. Es tut mir leid, which means I am sorry. Now, how do you say yes? We say ja, not ja. It is ja. Remember, J usually sounds Y in words. So we have ja. And then no is nein. Nein. Maybe or perhaps is vielleicht. Vielleicht. Good job. And then to the last word, which is of course, we say natürlich. Natürlich. Yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to save this video, watch the video till you get all of those words and how to use them in the right context. And also if you know somebody who is struggling with speaking German or who is learning German, then you can as well be of help to them. You can forward this video to them. And don't forget, this is where we have issues. Drop my thank you in the comment section so that I'll be more ginger to drop more videos for you. And if you are still not following this page, I really don't know what you are doing. Yeah, and I will see you in my next video. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss.